4 marks IGCSE question. The question asks to find the sum of this arithmetic sequence here. To find the sum, we will need to use this formula. The very good thing is it's given in the formula sheet, but you need to know what everything means. The first part here, it means just the sum of these 40 terms. So n is the number of terms, so it's 40. N is 40. Now a is the first term here, which is in this case 4x minus 14. And d is the difference between each two terms. And that's it. That's what we need to find now. The question though asks you to give the answer as a number, an integer. So don't give your answer in terms of x. No, we need it as a number. If you want to try this question, it's better to start now because I'm solving it in 3, 2, 1. Alright, so how do we do this? The first thing I know is the difference between each two terms is the same, isn't it? It doesn't change. So the difference between these two is x plus 2 minus 4x minus 14. And that's equals, keep the x plus 2 for now. Bring this negative inside, so it's going to be minus 4x and it's going to be plus 14. So the difference is, so x minus 4x is minus 3x and 2 plus 14 is 16. Let's keep this here. It's important, so I'll just make a rectangle around it. Now, the difference here is also similar. So let's find the difference between these two. So this minus this. So 7x minus 9 minus x plus 2. So that's equals, keep the 7x minus 9. Bring the negative inside. So it's going to be minus x minus 2. And that gives you 7x minus x, 6x, minus 9 minus 2 is minus 11. Because it's arithmetic sequence, the difference is similar. So this should equal to that. So let's write them in an equation. So minus 3x plus 16 is equal to 6x minus 11. Now, let's solve this equation. Do plus 3x here, plus 3x there. This will cancel. We will just have 16 on this side is equal to 9x minus 11. Do plus 11. Plus 11, this will cancel. So 16 plus 11 is 27 equals to 9x. That means x equals 3. This is the beginning of finishing this question. Now, once we found x, let's find the first term and let's find the difference. The difference you can just substitute here or here, it's up to you. I'll use this one, looks easier. So 6x is 6 times 3 minus 11. 6 times 3 is 18 minus 11 is 7. So d equals 7. Now let's find a, the first term. The first term is this one here, 4x minus 14. So it's going to be 4 times 3 minus 14. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 minus 14 is negative 2. So this is d, and this is, oh no, this is a, that's the first term, negative 2. Now we don't need all this, let's just enjoy erasing it. It's satisfying erasing this. And then let's substitute in there. So I don't need to erase all that. That's enough. I can't stop. It's fun. Anyway, let's stop. Let's substitute. So Sn equals, what's n? it's 40 because it's given here. Divide by 2, this nice bracket. 2 times a is negative 2, so it's 2 times negative 2, plus n minus 1, it's 40 minus 1, times the difference, which is 7. Close this very big bracket, and then this equals to 40 divided by 2 is 20. This is strange bracket, and then 2 times negative 2 is negative 4, plus 40 minus 1 is 39 times 7. Now if we continue doing this, we will get a number, definitely, right? So let's just plug this in the calculator, because plug this in the calculator and it gives you 5,380. How was it? Was it easy?